Hey guys, so I know it's a hey guys, so I know it's been a long time since the last vlog, but I just wanted to I'm not gonna pause this clip. I know. Hey guys, so I know it's been a long time since the last vlog. It's 8:03 on a Friday, February 17th. My voice is very different because I'm sick, obviously. And I just drank some medicine, and yeah, and tomorrow's banquet. So I'm trying to get really better, like super better, so I can have fun tomorrow. So yeah, just want to have a quick update, and I've been gone for like a day, a few days, I don't know. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have a Sunday video going up because yeah, and I didn't have one last week, so it just depends. I'll just up to you guys. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. This is out. Hey guys, so I'm very offloaded first for me. Like, I bet you guys can't even understand. I'm sick, and I just drank tea, and I drank water, and I'm very hydrated. But I want to go to sleep now. But I don't. But yeah. But I don't even. Hey guys, so brought to you by this video. I get cut off because my best friend just texted me, and I had. So as I was saying, oh my god, doesn't he know I'm a YouTuber and I vlog? So as I was saying, yeah, I'm just really tired now, and yeah, just please bear with me. Yeah, so there's not gonna be a vlog. I there's not gonna. I'm gonna still be vlogging, but I'm not gonna post a main channel video just because I don't have time to film. I'm cramped up. My schedule is booked. Like Saturday, I have my banquet. Okay, me from the future. So you guys are about to see my Snapchat store for my banquet. It's gonna be lit. So like you guys are gonna see a whole different me. Like I was wearing makeup, so I'm gonna look. Say hi. Why are you smiling? I don't know. Mimi. Hey guys, so I know it's been a long time since the last vlog, but I sound a little bit better and I feel a lot better, so yeah. Oh my gosh. What? Where is it? Okay. Hey guys, so wait, let me do it again. Hey guys, so I'm back. Update. It is 6:59. Whoa, 6:59 p.m. What? 6:59 p.m. What? Oh, I want it to be 7 so bad. 7. So yeah. Oh, I posted a new Instagram. Go like it. Go like it. It's this picture right here. Ooh, focus. Okay. It's not focusing. Focus on me. Focus on me. This photo. So it's the Polaroid, a perfume bottle, and a Kylie lip kit. So this may not be the second time filming me eating what's my dinner. So it's just Korean barbecue. Potato, steak, I don't know what this is called. Bean sprouts. Max